Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make soft and fluffy pumpkin flour steam bun. It's very soft and fluffy and also light sweetness that is filled with the mashed pumpkin and shaped into the flour. These steam bun pumpkin flour rolls are made special to celebrate to coming Chinese New Year and also other party and incredible light, moisture and fluffy in texture and so delicious. So let's get started. First, we need to add 1 teaspoon of yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar to the warm milk 45 grams and then mix it well. And then rest it for 5 to 10 minutes to make the yeast is working. For the pumpkin, we need to clean the pumpkin, remove the skin and filling, and then cut to be the little pieces. Press all the pieces of the pumpkin into steamer and steam about 20 minutes or until it softens. But we use the steamed pumpkin for 70 grams and then we blend it until really smooth. In the large bowl, flip 190 grams of the bowl flour or you can use with the all-purpose flour or cake flour too. Add half teaspoon of baking powder. For the ingredients I will put in the description box below, you can find at that. Add 30 grams sugar and mix it well. Then add the yeast mixture into the flour. You can see the yeast mixture is like a bubble. It means they are working or function. Add mashed pumpkin paste. This one you can press with the potato or other kind of vegetable that you like, but this time we use the pumpkin and it will make the very nice color, yellow color. And then we need to knead the dough and 15 grams of the softened butter and then continue to knead it for 5 minutes. This recipe is so easy and no need to separate the dough and need time to knead for only 5 minutes. It's very fast and easy. And then cover and rest it for 1 hour. And after that the dough is double sided. And after 1 hour you can see the dough is the double side and then we continue to do the next process. Turn the dough out onto the lightly floured surface and knead slightly and divide the dough into 3/4 parts for easy handling. For each other half of the dough, roll into the long dough and cut into small 5 pieces. And roll each cut dough into the balls. Using a rolling pin, flatten the round balls into the round thin shape. Continue to make like this for about 5 pieces. Then arrange 5 flattened dough balls into the one straight line, overlap one another. Then starting from one end, roll up the dough. Next, using a plastic cutter or sharp knife, cut each Swiss roll into 2 equal pieces at the center. And make as the roast. This recipe will get 6 pieces of roast. Press the flour bun cut side down on the paper case and then press on a tray or bamboo steamer. and then cover and set aside into the warm place to increase until double size, about 20 or 30 minutes. And then put in the steamer and steam for about 12 minutes with the boiling water or over high heat. Is done off the heat, but leave buns into the steamer for another 2 to 3 minutes before removing from the steamer. This will ensure the buns will not shrink after cooling down. And then remove from the steamer or bamboo steamer to cool down on while and we are done. Serve this soft and fluffy flour roll buns warm as always. Enjoy for this recipe. I hope you give this try for this recipe because it's so fluffy, soft, and delicious for this. If you like this recipe, please like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time. Bye.